I'm going to start by doing one of the problems from the quiz number 2 on circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas. I'm going to do problem 11 with the foci and asymptotes. So when you're given foci or given the vertices, the first thing you want to do is to find the center. Finding the center is as easy as using the midpoint formula, where we can add up our x's and divide by 2, or we can add up our y's, divide by 2. So we end up with our center, I'm going to write it in pink, as 3, 10. Once we have the center, we have our foci, we can figure out what direction it's going by doing a quick graph. And by a quick graph, I mean we're not really graphing this, we're just making it just an idea, 325 over something and up something, 3 -5 over something down. It's vertical. I know that this is going to be a vertical hyperbola, which means if it's vertical, y is positive, and which also means a is under the y term, because a is under the positive term for hyperbolas. Since the foci are at 325 and 3 -5, I can find C, but to write the equation, I don't really need to find C. I just need A and B. So the good thing about these asymptotes is that they tell us A and B, but it can be confusing because if it's vertical or horizontal, which one's A and which one B changes. What is always the same is that we know that slope is rise over run, and that we know that it's the y's over the x's. And so when we're given our slope up here of the asymptote, I can just choose one, I'll choose the positive one. When I write it over here, I can see that my 3 is going to go with my y. My 4 is going to go with my x. So that means if A is under y, it doesn't really matter because we now know that 3 is under y because it's with the y's. So I can sit here and write my equation now of x, actually we'll do y first since it's a vertical, y minus 10 squared over a squared, or over 3 squared, 9, minus x minus 3 squared over 16 equals 1. And that's it.